Here with going to discuss about cybercrime. Exponential rise in the number of internet users, making it the third largest internet user in the world. But India also has one of the world's highest incident of cybercrime. Illegal activity carried out by means of computer or through the internet. And money is not only the valuable commodity on the internet, sharing a lot of personal data about ourselves, this data can be misused. India has some special laws. Cybercrime cells special agencies to respond to cybercrimes. Cybercrime involves activities like raiding bank accounts and stealing information from companies. Computer crime or cybercrime is crime that involves a computer and a network. The computer may have been used in the commission of a crime as it may be the target. Cybercrimes are offenses that are committed against individuals or group of individuals with a criminal motive to intentionally harm the reputation of the victim or cause physical or mental harm or loss to the victim directly or indirectly using modern telecommunication networks such as internet chat rooms, email notice boards, and group and mobile phones. Such crimes may threaten a nation's security. And the financial health issues surrounding these type of crimes have become high profile, particularly those surrounding hacking, copyright infringement, child pornography, and child grooming. There are also problems of privacy when confidential information is intercepted or disclosed lawfully or otherwise activities crossing international borders and involving the interest of at least one nation that is sometimes referred to as cyber warfare. The international legal system is attempting to hold actors accountable for their action throughout the international history and where it is started. The exact origin of cybercrime, which is like first instance in which someone committed a cyber across a computer network, is impossible to know, but something which we have traced, which we have in records, is something which we will be discussing. So the first case of use of computer for theft was told as 1973, where a local teller in a bank of New York used computer to amass over $2 million. Then a first spam email which took place somewhere around 1978. The first virus which was installed on Apple computer was in the year 1982. Now again disrupting the systems, making sure that the systems don't perform up to the mark is also to be a form of cybercrime. Spam emails virus are one way of affecting day-to-day work of the users or the system or the networks. And a real thing, 1981, a guy named Lan Murphy, known as Captain Zap to his fans, was the first person convicted of a cybercrime. He hacked into the AT&T system, one of the biggest telephone service provider in the US, and he changed the clock time so making sure people could talk more at a very low rate or probably 1000 community service 1000 hours of community service 2.5 years of probation, but again this is very less punishment by 1981. Nowadays the cybercrime and the rules are very strict, and this sneaker movie which you see on the OTT platform these days was actually getting the movies into the cybercrime. Here are some of the common type of cyber attacks: virus, bombs, malware and trojans, criminal insider, theft of data bearing devices, and then SQL injection and phishing, web based attacks, social engineering, and others. Data breach statistics by industry is reported as business, education, government, military, banking, credit, financial. Russia and the US are largest contribution when it comes to malware attack, making up 39.4% and 19.7. Africa loses $3.5 billion annually to cybercrime. The internet has evolved, and so have criminal organizations that use it as a platform to conduct illegal trade, such as counterfeit drugs, human trafficking, wildlife trafficking, to name few. Online platforms are also used to infiltrate, impersonate, defraud, and recruit innocent victims for various criminal activities. According to Interpol, internet or cyber crimes such as fraud, human and wildlife trafficking, money laundering, sale of drugs, and distribution of child pornography, among others, are notable indicators of the current trends in various global criminal enterprises. As the African continent rises higher in ranks of technology awakening and inclusion, much more needs to be done to combat cybercrime by government, law practitioners, IT experts, advocates, and individual users. AAP is working in collaboration with African anti cybercrime actors in 8 countries to enhance our joint capacity to detect, investigation, and prosecute cyber related crimes, which are often transported by AAP program does this through sharing. However, in order to be safe online, must learn for protecting. Simple steps are securing the passwords. Create a long and unique password for each important account and keep it protected. Keeping device clean and install a good antivirus. Keep it running constantly. Update the operating system and software regularly. Remember to sign out when on public computer and shared PCs. Also avoid using any sensitive information through public network, a way of email and website asking for personal information that do not respond to an ad or an email that claims to make you a winner for a contest that which you haven't registered. Be aware of your child's online activity and use tool to regulate access where needed, and finally make sure to report illegal activity, spam, suspicious emails and advertisements.